Look at the beautiful scenery. I don't know if you can hear it all the way down there, minus the dog barking. That's one of ours. Neighbors down the road, you can see the little yellow thing over there on the left behind the tree. That's their garage. But, they've been arguing for the last 45 minutes, cussing, screaming. Thought I heard a gunshot. It could have just been, like a backfire from a vehicle. That sounds like a four-wheeler. The reason my dog is barking, there we go, is because of the neighbors. Don't you just love loud, noisy neighbors? Yeah, we've got idiot meth heads down the road, and a dumbass, drunk, bipolar, schizophrenic, abusive dickhead up the road. And then we have rich people that live on just about every side. But, no. It's lovely. Why is it as a human being, or as a race, when we hear arguing, it's like, oh honey, go grab the popcorn, or whatever bullshit. I don't know, we just sit there and listen. I'm trying not to, trust me. But you just can't help it when they're being that damn loud. I don't know. See. Scenery.